Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we are going to talk about the Recycler view in the Android. Now, Recycler view is like the advanced version of the list view. You already know from our previous video how a list view works actually. So Recycler view is also very similar to that one. It also shows a list of items to the user, but it gives us more flexibility and more features. So what exactly is the Recycler view? It shows a group of items just like the list view. When the user clicks on the item, you can perform an action, for example, showing a toast or open a separate page or something like that. Unlike the list view, Recycler view can display items vertically, top to bottom, or you can also display it as an horizontally, left to right. Any way you can display it. And the best of all is you can fully customize the design of each item. That is the main thing. For example, in my finished app, you will see a list of countries with flags or something like that inside a nice rounded cars. When I click on any country, it should show the toast message. So that is the thing which we are going to do it. So let's go step by step and create the project in Android Studio. So I will be creating a new project, and inside this one I am selecting the empty views activity. Okay, I am clicking on the next. So here I am writing it as a recycler view, and it will be saving. Okay, let's click on the finish. So it may take some time to create the project. So Gradle will be syncing up and everything, it will be taking care. So let it take. So now we have started the project. Let us go to our activity underscore main.xml file. So it is taking some time. So let it take. So whatever the things you want, you have given it. Android Studio will create the project for you. So let it take some time. So let's design our main activity. So before it loads, let it load. So the project has been created. So open our activity underscore main.xml file. So this is our activity underscore main.xml file. So let me minimize these all the things. So fine. So delete the default text view. So I am deleting the default text view. So I have deleted it. So from the palette, drag a recycler view into the design area. So where will be the recycler area? So here you will be able to see the recycler view and drag that one to here. So it will ask you the operation requires a library. So you can add it. Okay. So reset needs the material design library actually. So in older versions of Android Studio, you had to manually add it, but in the latest version, it's automatically will be added for you. If you see a little download button, just click it. Make sure recycler view is ready. So that's it. So now it is ready. So let's try to see what it is taking. So importing. So here it has been imported. So now you'll be able to see the recycler view has been downloaded. Fine. So now set the recycler constraints, pin it to the bottom, left, right, and margins like that. So here this is the recycler view, and open the attributes panel. Okay, and here I will pin it to here like this, so that it will be top to bottom, it will be. So fine, this one is done. And set the ID for this one as recycler view. So I am using it like this. Fine, great. That is our main layout. So recycler view needs a separate design for each item. So let's create that. So now for each item, it will need a separate design for this one. So now we are having one design. So let's try to design it. So now here, let's go to our res folder. Okay. In the layout folder. So here right click on this one and create a layout resource file. So here you can give card underscore design. So here we can give it as a card underscore design. So this is our thing. Keep root element as the constraint layout only. So here we'll keep the root element as constraint layout. So fine. So now we will design the card view with an image and two text fields. Drag a card view into the layout. Okay, so let's try to search for the card view here. So it will be in the container. So here drag the card view into the constraint layout. So it will ask you to download it. Okay, so you can download it automatically. So it will take some time. So let it download it. So let's wait for some time. So here card view has been added to this one. So let's try to make it a little bit bigger. So this is the card view which we have added it. Let's go into the attributes. Inside the card view, we'll add another constraint layout. So okay, let's go here and in our layouts. So we have the constraint layout. So let's drag it and here add it to this one. So it will take some time to add it. So let it add. So inside this one, so we'll be able to see the constraint layout has been added and sets it height to 75 dp. So here constraint layout, so set it height to 75 dp. Okay, so that's it. So now set the card view height to wrap underscore content. So fine, constraint layout also I will make it as an wrap underscore content, wrap underscore content. That's it. So now here, so this is our constraint layout and this card view. So you can maintain this one as something like this. Okay, and this is our constraint layout. So now add the circle image view for the flag image, and we will add the two text views for the country name and the details. To make the images round, we can use the external library that is called as an circle image view. So you can download it from the internet. I will try to show you circle image view. So here you can search for this circle image view. Okay, so now here if you search it for circle image view, so this is the thing which I would be trying to tell you. This is the circle image view which you can add it in your Android. So here for this one, what we need to do, we need to add this dependency in the Gradle. So we already discussed in our previous videos at the starting. So in order to add this one, so it is very easy. So you can go to the app here. I can double click on this one under the dependencies. So you can paste it here directly, and you can click on the sync now. Automatically the sync will be happen. Now again let's go here. So if you want the circle image view, so just you can copy this one and let's go to our thing, and here in our card underscore design, so let's go to our code view here, and in this one, in our constraint layout, inside this constraint layout, so I would be trying to add like this. That's it. So now here we are having the drawable profile, right? So I will try to add one image so that you can able to see. So for that one, so I have the images flags downloaded. So let's go to the downloads, and here I will be having these three images. So let's copy these three images. Let's go to our Android Studio, and here in this one, in the drawable, so here I will paste those things. Fine. So fine. So here this is having the capital letter, so that's why it is showing error. So let's rename this one. So I will make it as a small letter. Okay, fine, done. So let's go to our code, and here I will try to take Germany. So here you will be able to see the image. So now we are able to see the image, right? So now what we need to do, so here the circle image is coming. Okay, now what I want to do it is, so here, so what we need to do, so we need to set the circle image view and the height to the 60 dp. So here I will try to arrange this one to the 60 dp, sorry, and here also I will try to make it as an 60 dp. So now it is looking somewhat fine. Okay, so here I want to make it as a center. So here I will click on this one, and what I want to do, I want to center it vertically. Okay, it was centered vertically, and I want to add the margin. Okay, design view, I want to add the margin for this one. So margin will be margin start. I will try to add a margin start to something around 5 dp. Okay, so here this one I want to add the margin start to the 5 dp. Okay, it is not coming. Margin start. Okay, this one, right? So for this one 5 dp, it is not coming. So here I want to set it to here, or otherwise what I can do it is, instead of having this one, so here vertically we have set it, right? So here I can set it to 5 so that it will move somewhat fine, right? So now here we are able to see that image. So now we will be dragging the two text views here. So text view I will drag it here. Okay, and another text view also I will drag it here. So fine, so I have dragged it two text views, and I will try to give for the first one, so text view country name. So here this is the first text view. So here text view country name I want to show it, and here the text view, okay, I will keep it like this only, and the text size I want to give it. So here I can go, okay, refactor this one. So here I want to give the text size to something around 24 sp. Okay, and I want to give the text color to also text color also to black. So here I can set this one as black, and here you will be having the text style, and I will give it as a bold. Okay, and the next one is the second one is a text one. So here this one, so I will try to give this one as text view. Okay, fine. So text size, so here it will be text size, it will be 16 sp. 16 sp I will give it. Okay, and here I will try to give the id for this one, text view detail. Okay, refactor this one, done. So now what I want to do, I want to vertically change. So here it is, I want to make it vertically both. So here change, so I can do the center vertically. So here it will take the equal width of this one, and also here these both are not having the equal thing, right? So here I would be trying to give it as a something 26. Okay, for this one also I will try to give it as an 26. Okay, so equally it will be having. So this is how we will be setting it. So that's it. So now recycler view with card view looks amazing because we can style it. So here the card, so here we are having the card view, right? So the card view, I want to give the so this one I want to give the corner radius. So here the corner radius as something around 7 dp. Okay, 7 dp I will try to give it. And what I want to do, so I want to give the margin also. Okay, I want to give the layout margin, so all the things as 7 dp. Okay, so here you will be able to see. And another one what I want to give it is background. So here I want to give the background for this constraint layout, everything. So background tint to something like you can go here and you can apply. Oh sorry, not this one. Why I am selecting this card view? I need to select the card view, right? Sorry, for the constraint layout I am setting this on all. So where is this hard corner radius? Okay, I'm applying to the card view only, sorry. So here you can apply the margin. So margin I have applied 7 dp, fine. And I want to apply the background tint to this card. Okay, so here I want to apply the background tint. So here I want to apply the color for this one. Okay, and here I can go to something around yellow color or something like that, fine. So we will try to give this one. So now the card looks somewhat professional, right? So now what you can do, before running a web, we can preview how it looks. Go back to the activity.main.xml file, and here you will be having the attributes panel. In the attributes panel, so you can able to select the list item. Okay, so here you will be having the list item. In this one you can select what is that you want. So here you can select this one all. So you will be able to see the everything. So this gives preview how each card in your thing will appear. Fine, right? So this one is looking somewhat fine. So and that's it for the design part. So we created a recycler view in the main activity. We designed a custom card view layout with a circular image and a text, and we styled it with margins, rounded corners, and also the elevation also. So if you want to elevation also, you can do it. So we'll try to see it. So we added images to the drawable folder. In the next part, what we'll try to do is we'll connect this design to an adapter class and display the data dynamically. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning the Android development. See you in the next lesson. Until then, bye.